We all love the fact that we belong to something. We are included somewhere. We don't like the whole idea, just the fact that we are included in this group of people. You don't like your shape? Neither me. I don't have double chin. Let's say you have double chin, you don't like it? Okay, me too. Like, you know, when I do this and I have like weird shape, like I'm sitting in a weird way, I will have a double chin. I don't like it. It really annoys me. It might even be under blanket and no one sees me, but still, I still have double chin. We all love to be included, whether the thing is good or bad. As long as we're included, the so-called thing good, bad doesn't matter anymore. As long as we are in that group of people, I'm fine if I will be in your world just to feel bad with you. It's also to support you, no? It's just to make me feel good. It's just for me to feel that I'm included. When I was a kid, I used to love tomatoes. I love eating tomatoes so much. Like, it is just my favorite thing. It's like mangoes for me now. Once I was eating tomatoes, and then my two sisters, they came, my siblings, and they're like, "Oh my god, you eat tomatoes?" And I'm like, yes. They're like, "Oh my god, it feels like, are you a monkey? You're so weird." And they gave me this whole thing. I stopped eating tomatoes. I stopped eating tomatoes since that day. If it's not cooked, I will not eat it. Do I hate tomatoes? I don't think so, but they make me feel that I hate tomatoes. Tomatoes are not supposed to be liked. After 20 years, now I hate tomatoes. I eat tomatoes. Now I start eating tomatoes because that's what I love. Why do I need to pretend that I don't like something just to feel in the whole thing? Like, just for me to feel that I belong to this family, this group, these people. After 20 years, I remembered my love to tomatoes. Last year, I was in the kitchen. I was just slicing tomatoes. I don't know why. And then I'm like, let me just take one. So 20 years, people. I took one and I'm like, this thing is nice. I feel good. My body feels good. My tummy feels fresh. Wait, I used to like tomatoes when I was a kid. And why did I stop? Simply because people made fun of me, saying that if I do like tomatoes, I'm a monkey. Well, I'm not. They might not know that they are doing something bad, but they are. They're just changing you. They're changing you. Are you supposed to be changed? If it's not for good, you're not supposed to be changed. This story might be not important for you, but that moment for me just controlled my coming 20 years. It might not be a big deal for me whether I ate tomatoes or not. I used to eat them, but I don't eat them with love. I'm just eating them because they exist, in my food. This is a simple example that can be applied in our daily life. You might like something, but people around you, people that surrounds you, they don't like it. So they'll just give you the feeling of you being somehow weird. I'm not weird. The beauty is in our difference. Why do you want to live in someone's shade? Well, you have your life, you have your taste, you have your way of living. You love whatever you love. You love this food, you love this lifestyle, you love wearing this, you hate hanging out with these people. Just don't do it. Because this simple thing will have huge impact in your life. This was for today. Bye.